So in this practice, masses of the radons, and the helium-4 are given by the 226.025403 atomic mass unit, and then radons is at 222.017571 U, and the helium-4 is a 4.002603 U. Show that alpha decay is energetically possible. So in these situations, radons 226.88 is alpha decays. Is radons 222, so 86 plus alpha. So in this situation, we'd like to compare the mass of the reactant and the total mass of the product is a 226.403 U minus sum of the two masses 222.01757 plus 4.002603 U. So if you use the calculators, it becomes 5.23 times 10 to minus 3 U. So this is the positive quantities. So from this easy calculation, we could confirm that this alpha decay is energetically possible. So this is the answer to these questions.